und grüß Gottle miteinander, ich bin der Philipp aus dem Schwaberländle. I'm head chef at Café Bazaar in Zurich, Switzerland, and this is my backyard here near Lucerne. Today I'll be showing you my most favorite dish around that time of the year. It's white asparagus with wild garlic sauce hollandaise and steamed new potatoes. Asparagus is the most widely grown vegetable in that part of southern Germany where I'm originally from. And asparagus season is always something that reminds me when I was a child, because there was lots to do on the fields, and as a reward, once in a while we got to eat one of this world's most best white asparagus served with that glorious creamy sauce hollandaise. So, to start, you want to gently heat the butter until liquid. You can skim off the white stuff that you see on top and strain it to receive, leaving the sediment behind. Keep at a stable temperature from about 45 to 55 degrees Celsius. Continue to reduce the shallots together with the vinegar, the white wine, and the peppercorns and the water to about 1/3 set aside. In the meantime, carefully and thoroughly peel the white asparagus. You know when you get great quality of white asparagus when you cut it, and you can see that shiny and juicy white flesh. Also, you can rub the stems together and it should squeak. Cut off the woody ends and set aside. After that, boil water in a big enough pot to hold loosely the entire asparagus without breaking them. Season with salt, sugar, and half a lemon. Separately, boil the potatoes in salted water until fully cooked. Now, beat together the reduction with the egg yolks on a hot water bath to a creamy mass. After that, outside the water bath, swing the clarified butter in a fine and even thread under the egg yolk mixture to form a nice emulsion. Be sure to have the butter and the egg yolk mixture about the same temperature of about 50 to 55 degrees to have a great result. Now, put the peeled asparagus into the boiling water, reduce the heat, and simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes depending on the thickness of the asparagus. Let it drip off and arrange a really nice portion of that white asparagus on a pre-warmed plate. Tips to your heart, that's how it's classically served. My favorite to go along with it is just a nicely grilled fillet of fish like Arctic char or rainbow trout. Lasst es euch schmecken und recht ein guter miteinander. Thank you for watching World of Flavors video. Be safe and don't waste food.